Hello guys, I would like us to look at how to go about evaluating the following double integral. Now, what we are going to do in this particular question is we're going to integrate what's on the inside first. That is, I'm going to integrate the whole of this function with respect to y, and then whatever answer I get, I integrate it now with respect to x. So I want to write that part that's inside, that is x squared y plus y cubed dy, integral from 1 to 3. So this is what we are going to start with. This is what we are going to start with. And then after we get the answer, then we are going to evaluate the integral from 2 to 4 with respect to x. So evaluating what's on the inside, if we come to integrate this with respect to y, then x is acting as a constant. So what we'll be integrating is the y variable and the integral of y. So just write your x here because it's a constant. Integrating y, we get y squared over 2. Plus integrating y cubed, we get y raised to power 4 over 4. And the integral is being evaluated from 1 to 3. And then whatever answer we get there, we are going to integrate it with respect to x from 2 to 4. Okay, evaluating what's on the inside, I'm going to replace the range. So I'm going to first of all replace 3, and I replace it where there's y because that's what I've integrated. So I will have x squared, 3 squared over 2 plus 3 raised to power 4 over 4 minus, I now replace with a value of 1. So I will have x squared, 1 squared over 2 plus 1 raised to power 4 over 4. And then whatever answer I will get, I will integrate now with respect to x. So evaluating this, we are going to get, so integral from 2 to 4, this is going to give us 9 over 2x squared, 9 over 2x squared, plus this is 3 raised to power 4, so that is 81 over 4, minus, on this other side we have x squared over 2, or a half x squared, plus 1 over 4. Then dx. So after we do all this, that's when we evaluate with respect to x. Okay, I'm going to open the brackets and evaluate. So I have 9 over 2x squared minus a half x squared. So that's going to give us 8 over 2, which is just the same as 4x squared. And then 81 over 4 minus 1 over 4, that's going to give us 80 over 4. So that's basically 20. So that's going to give us 20. So plus 20. And then all this with respect to dx. Now we want to integrate whatever we have left here with respect to x. So 4x squared with respect to x will give us 4x cubed over 3 plus 20x. We are now integrating the ranges from 4 to 2. So this simply gives 4 over 3. Instead of x, I'll put 4 cubed plus 20. Then instead of x, I'll put 4. All this minus 4 over 3. Instead of x, I'll put 2 cubed plus 20. Instead of x, I'll put 2. Then we evaluate that and get our answer. So basically, that's how we go about a double integral. Start with whatever is inside, then proceed to whatever is outside. So you can easily evaluate this to get your answer.